Okay, hello, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Jazz Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
This is not the Philippines. This is Malaysia. In Philippines, you might be the boss, but in some other countries, you know what we are, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to humble ourselves, okay? Attitude
Yes, ma'am.
wise must always bring, yeah?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. I am Alma Bella Pabrino. I live in 173 Malagasang, Cavite, Amos. I have five children, four son and one daughter. My elders is 24 years old and younger 17 years old. My first job start made all around me, and my second job is made also all around again. And babysitter two brother,
Okay.
3 years old and 5 years old.
Okay, so Alma, I need to know some few more details from you. How old are you?
42, ma'am.
Are you single with live-in partner, single mom, or married?
Single mom.
Single mom. When is your birthday?
December 31, 1981.
What about your height and your weight?
51. And my height is 5'4". My weight is 65 kilos.
What about your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Your educational background?
No, ma'am.
Are you high school graduate, elementary graduate, senior high school?
High school, ma'am. High school graduate.
High school graduate. Okay, you mentioned that you are a single mother and you got 5 children, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Uh, my mother is 65 years old. No work, ma'am. Stayed my house.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
Now, ma'am, two, ma'am. Two. My
How many
brothers,
brother
two.
and how many sister?
One, my brothers, ma'am, three brothers. Three brothers and one girl.
Okay, and what is your rank in your family?
Rank po? What rank, ma'am?
Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Third, ma'am. Third.
You are the
Third,
third.
ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned just a while ago that you have a working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines. So
Yes,
in your
ma'am.
by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2018 to 2019 in the Philippines. Can I know which place in the Philippines is it?
Yes, ma'am. Manila, ma'am.
Okay, you worked there for 1 year, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you describe what are your responsibilities to your previous employment here in Manila for 1 year?
My responsibility, ma'am, take care of the children, cook, laundry, and cleaning all the house, and also take care of the pets.
How old are those children that you take care?
3 years old, ma'am, and 5 years old.
Okay, so what happened? Why you decided to let go this employer and decided to find another employer? Because it stated in your buy data that year back 2019 to 2021 you worked in Philippines also for 2 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You mentioned also just a while ago that you babysit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
In which place in the Philippines again? Is it still in Manila?
Yes, Cubao.
Cubao. Okay, can you describe what are your responsibilities to your previous employment here for 2 years that you work?
Cook, cook, and going to market, grocery, laundry, also laundry, cleaning the house all around. Also, uh, take care the children and helping the assignment.
Okay, how old are those children?
5, ma'am.
5 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
One child only.
Yes, ma'am. 5, 1 year, ano, one child only.
Okay. So, being a domestic helper is very tough, right, Alma?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to get ready because frequently homesickness will strike you. Most especially this is your first time working abroad, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So later, how will you gonna deal with it? How will you gonna fight your homesickness once it strikes you?
Always busy, ma'am. Cleaning the always cleaning the house. I don't always cleaning. Always busy myself.
Okay, so being a domestic helper, you know that you need to be flexible. As I have mentioned earlier, there is no such a thing that you will just do focus on doing house chores only, or you will just focus on taking care of children or elderly. No such a thing. You need to do house chores at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
take care baby?
Yes, ma'am. What, ma'am?
Can you take care infant?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, yes,
Can you cook?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare instead if you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. Cook, ma'am. Only Filipino food, ma'am.
Filipino food. Okay. So can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
What, ma'am? What?
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
I just don't want later that you say, Mom, yes, yes, I can do. But after you reach here in Malaysia, oh, there was such some complaints that, Mom, I cannot handle anymore.
No, ma'am. No.
Noah,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Also,
afraid of any dogs or cats or any pets?
no, ma'am. No. No, I pray.
Noah, so can you speak Malay or Mandarin?
What Mandarin, ma'am?
Do you know how to speak their language? Mandarin, Malay.
All Filipino, I English only, ma'am.
Okay, please,
And
Alma, don't focus your face.
yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, Alma, you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and it's not 1 year. It's a 2 years contract. If there is any uncertain situation that might happen back to your family in the Philippines, please bear with it that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
I know, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because you signed a 2 years contract. Once you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, right? You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who decided because you are a single mother and you wanted to sustain your children's future, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe go in Middle East?
Because the Malaysia, ma'am, is safety country. No
Safe
abuse.
country.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
do you know that Malaysia don't have any abuses case?
No hotline, ma'am.
No headline.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Alma, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you rin,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have
Salamat.
a good day.
Thank